Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and yesterday I bought a new backpack. This is PGI Tech One Go 18 liters. And in today's video I'm going to put all the stuff that I use for street photography in this new backpack. So first of all I want to put my cameras in the backpack. Fujifilm X100F, Fujifilm X Pro 3 with 35mm f.2, my film camera Minolta X500. Some cloth, and some spare batteries. I also put this portable microphone because sometimes I want to record some sounds or audios when I'm outside. An SSD drive to store all my photographs. I also put some spare batteries for my film camera. An air blower and a lens pen, and the case with SD cards. I also bring my ND filter and this sling shoulder bag because it's just useful. I really like using this one. Recently I come to understanding that I need to print a small portfolio book. I actually saw this idea on Faisal's Westcott channel. I really love that idea. This is my GoPro kit. I usually use it for POV videos. I use this GoPro kit for everything. I also put some film for my film camera and this little tripod. Now let's put all this stuff in my backpack. I have a pen and a notebook on the side pockets. And now we put the batteries in the compartment, and the same with SSD drive and the microphone. They both go in a side pocket. Now to the main compartment of the backpack. I have already customized it for my needs. I put Fuji X Pro 3 with X100F in the middle, and then on the bottom I'll put my case with GoPro. In the top pocket I'll put little things such as film, a tripod, and the case with cards. This backpack has plenty of pockets, so you can put a lot of stuff in it. This is another pocket where I can put my cloth. And at the top compartment I'll put my film camera. I really don't like this top magnetic lock because it just doesn't work for me. On the back of our backpack we also have a pocket for a laptop or an iPad. And we're all set. So I managed to put all my cameras and gear that I use for street photography in this backpack. And now let's take it out and check it in real life situations. So there is a really nice spot next to the Forbidden City in Beijing. And from this spot you can see the whole downtown area. And I guess my next video will be about the downtown street photography. So it took me like 3 to 5 seconds to grab my camera from the side pocket and be ready to take some pictures. Another thing that I like about the backpack that it has a really thick material on the bottom. You can see in the main compartment I put my X100F GoPro, which I usually use for making POV videos. I also have my sling shoulder bag, the X Pro 3, and I even take a raincoat today. My final thoughts about this backpack. I definitely recommend it for street photographers and creators who need a nice everyday backpack, but for me personally, I feel like I'd stick with my sling shoulder bag, because actually that's all I need for my style of shooting. I hope you enjoyed the video, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.